Hello, welcome to Peer-to-Peer Academy. Okay, today you will learn about BUN.js. Okay, to install BUN.js, open your browser. My browser in this case is Opera.js. Okay, type BUN.js in your browser. Okay, in first page you will find BUN.js. Okay, click in this page. Now you have the command to install BUN.js. Okay, copy command. Open menu in your Windows. Now type PowerShell. PowerShell, right click, run administrator, click in yes. Okay, paste the command. Okay, copy command and paste command. Okay, enter. Now PowerShell is installing Banjes. Okay, now finish install Banjes. Close your PowerShell. Open Visual Studio Code to test Banjes. Make file, open folder. For example, the videos I will create a folder. For example, that type new project. One, select folder. Okay, now you will open the terminal. In terminal, type this bun middle dash version. And you can see the version bun 1.2.15. Okay, now type this bunx create middle dash next middle dash app at latest. For example, the name project is oh okay, you enter. Okay, you will answer these questions. You could what you like to use TypeScript? Type yes, Sling yes, Tailwind CSS yes, SRC directory. Okay, click no. Operator yes, Turbopack yes. Imperialist, customize Imperialist. This case no. Okay, now I'm ready the installation. Okay, now you can see in this folder new. Okay, your Next.js project. Okay, test bun. For example, this type bun before enter the folder new. Okay, type cd. The folder is okay. Now type bun random. Okay, now you can see the server. Open the server, and you can see the welcome to Next.js project. Okay, finish all. Thank you.